Hey, it's your girl Kimberly West, the Healthy Wealthy Entrepreneur. Just wanted to take a few minutes to come to you and let you know that there are some big changes being made around here. As you can see behind me, there is an empty bookshelf. That's right, we are moving. We are moving on to a different location and another chapter in this journey. But also, we are going to be implementing some new stuff here on our website. The first is our daily 11:11 posts. Every day at 11:11 in the morning, I'll be coming to you with some words of wisdom, a little information. Some of our broadcasts will be live, some of our broadcasts will be recorded. But look for us here every morning at 11:11. Also, we're going to be launching a travel series, so you're going to be joining me on all of my travels as I leave this great place that we call Haven and set out to travel the world once again. I'm really looking forward to it, and I hope you join me. So come back tomorrow, 11:11, and we'll talk then. Bye.